Hi dear students, and today in this class we discuss about Venn diagram and what are the operation of sets. I am using this Venn diagram. Let's see that. First of all, what is the definition of Venn diagram? What is the mean by the Venn diagram? Means here see, this diagram is called Venn diagram. This diagram is called a Venn diagram. What is that? Most of the relationship between the sets most of the relationship between the sets can be represented by means of diagram. Can be represented by means of diagram, which are known as Venn diagram. So whatever we take sets, in that this Venn diagram, using this Venn diagram, we can easily find out the relationship between the sets. Okay, so this is the definition of Venn diagram. Most of the relationship between the sets. See here, set A. So this is one universal set. In universal set, there is natural number from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. In that, subset is there, that is A. That set A contains even natural numbers. See, in the set A, there are only even numbers. In out of the box, there is had numbers. So this is the relationship. So to find out the relationship between the sets, when we use to represent that, we use the diagram. The diagram is known as the Venn diagram. So this is called rectangle, and circle is the subset of this rectangle. So the rectangle contains 10 natural numbers, 1 to 10. In that, set A contains only even natural numbers. Remaining add natural numbers there is outside. So this type of diagram we call the Venn diagram. To understand more about this, what are the relationship are there in the Venn diagram? So let's see by taking the types of the diagrams. Okay. For that, here there are operations of sets. The heading is operations on sets. Operations on sets. And that first one is union of set. Union of sets. So what is the definition of union of set? So here the union of set, the definition here to define the union, here we should consider two sets. Okay, that set name, let's give A and B. So the union of two sets A and B is the set C. And which consists of all those elements. Which are either in A or in B. Suppose I will write one example for this. 1, 2, 3. Another one. So I already told the union of two sets A and B. That is 4, 5, 6. We have the 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 two sets there. In the elements, what are the elements are there in set A, in set B? What are those elements are there? That all elements is the set of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. So what are the union of two sets is the set C, which contain all those elements. When which contain all those elements in C, these elements are either in A or either. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆರಡರಿಂದನೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 1 2 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 5 6 4 5 6 ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಗಳ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. So that is what is the definition of union of set means. The union of two sets A and B is the set C, which consists of all those elements, which are either in A or either in B, which are B. So what is the definition for this is, let's write the definition for this. The union of two sets A and B is the set C, which consists of all those elements which are either in set A or in B. Symbolically we can write this one. Symbolically we write A union B equal to X such that. So by set builder form method I will write here X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So the union of two sets A and B. The union of sets can be denoted by A union B. We can read like this: A union B. The union of two sets A and B is the set C. Which consists of all those elements are either in A or in B. This is the definition of union of sets. And diagrammatically, there are two sets A and B. Sorry. This is set A. This is set B. So here there are elements. So this is an universal set. So this is a rectangle set. The subset, these two circles are the subset of the universal set, because what are the elements are there in A, that all elements in the universal set also. That's why this is a subset of U. So this is the union. So union means like this diagram. So union means we collect all the elements in B and B. So what are the elements are there in A and what are the elements are there in B? That all elements we should collect. We collect that, and that all elements should become another one set C. That is the A union B, and that is the solution of union of sets. Okay, this is the definition of the union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set C, which consists of all those elements which are either in A or either in B. Andre ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, right? So this is the union of sets. There is another one method, that is intersection of sets. Another one is intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Take the definition for this. Here also the intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets is the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all the element which belong to both A and B. All the is the set of all the element which are belong to both set A and set B, and both in A and in B, The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements which belong to both in A or both A and B, which belongs to both A and B. In symbolically we write the definition of intersection. This can be denoted A intersection B. This is the intersection. This is union. And this is intersection. A intersection B. We can read this one. A intersection B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X is also belongs to B. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to A and B, which belongs to both A and B. And here also we take a diagram for this Venn diagram. This is the subset of the rectangle. And what are the elements? This portion. What are this portion is there? No. This shows intersection. This is A, B, universal set, A intersection B. So that means ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂನು ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂತ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೇ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ A ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ B ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೆಗೆದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೆಗೆದು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ set. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B. This is the definition of intersection of sets. Let's see what is the definition of disjoint set. Another one is disjoint set. Disjoint sets. Definition: if A and B, if the set of A and B are two sets such that A intersection B equal to null set, A intersection B equal to null set, then A and B are called disjoint sets. Disjoint set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. That is this important formula. This one is very important formula because A intersection B is value null set. So set A, set B. See, there is gap in between set A. Means in the set A, what are the elements are there separate than set B? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಟ್ A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಸೆಟ್ B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತಾನೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಆಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ಇದು ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈಗ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಹ ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಲ್, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ disjoint sets. This type of sets we call the disjoint sets. And this is the very important. A intersection B equal to null set. So if A and B are two sets such that A intersection B equal to null set when both sets are contains different elements. When both sets are contain different types of elements. And that type of sets we call the disjoint sets. Okay, this one. Let's move on to the differences of the set. Differences of sets. Definition for this. Here also we should consider two sets. The differences of the set A and B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B. The differences of two sets A and B in this order is the set of all those elements, and B. The differences of two sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to A and not to B, which belongs to B and not to B. So the differences of two sets A and B in this order means what's the order? Differences of two sets in this order is the set of element. So if we take two sets elements, set A and set B, what are the elements we get by doing the differences of two sets? So what are the elements we collect? That elements is in A but not in B. Because already B elements na set A alliro elements ge cancel ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ಸೆಟ್ B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. For the example for that, take 1 2 3 4 5 and set B equal to 1 2 4. Okay. Now take differences of two sets. We should write like this: A minus B that equal to take set. So now A minus B means in the set A of elements, we should cancel the B elements in set A, right? So what are the elements? 1 cancel, no? 1 Next 2 we remove the 2. Next 3, no, not there in B. Okay, as it is, right? 4 cancel. Remaining what is there? 3, 5. So see, this 3, 5 is in A, no? 3, 5, but not in B. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A minus B ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ A ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is the definition meaning. The differences of two sets A and B is the set of elements. The differences of two sets A and B is the set of element, and this set of element belongs to A. The set of element belongs to A but not to B. 3, 5 A nallide, B nallide. That means this elements belongs to the differences of two sets belongs to A but not in B. Understood? That is A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. This is very important. Okay. Now on this topic which can solve some exercise problems. Okay, let's move on to the exercise 1.4. Understood the meaning of the definition? Is there any doubt in this? So once again, I repeating the definition of these three. The union of two sets A and B is the set of C which consists of all those elements which are either in A or in B. This is the union of set. And what is the definition of intersection of set? The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of elements which belongs to both the set A and B, which belongs to both the set in A and B. This is the intersection of set. And differences of set means the differences of two sets A and B is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B. Let's take exercise 1.4. In the first mind, what is there? Let's see that. Find the union of each of the following face of set. Face of sets. In that first one, x equal to 1, 3, 5 and y equal to 1, 2, 3. So what is there in the means find the union of each of the following pairs of set. Here x element is 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. The question meaning is we should apply the rule of union of set. Here they given now union of two sets. So here we should consider the union of set condition. That means x union y. If we take x union y, meaning is x elements and y elements all we collect and become, and by collecting the x elements and y elements in one set, that set become new set. But elements are either in A or either in B. So solution, first write given, that is x equal to 1, 3, 5 and y equal to 1, 2, 3. Take x union of y, that equal to, so what union means what are the elements are there in both the set, that all elements collect in the x union y set. But repeated elements we should collect only one time. So that is 1, next 3, next 5, 1 already is there, leave it that, 2, 3 already is there, leave it that. So this is the x union y, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the solution of the question. This is the union set. See what that elements are either in X or either in Y.